Today, we are guests at an architectural masterpiece by MacKayCurtis in Mawhitipana Bay, New Zealand. Welcome to ArchViz Ascent. This house was designed with a simple goal: to maximize the connection to the view and the outdoor space. The owner's brief for their New Zealand holiday home was beautifully simple: maximize the sun, the sweeping views, and the outdoor living experience. They wanted a retreat defined by relaxation in the open air, not confinement behind walls. What the MacKayCurtis studio delivered is a delicate, small footprint intervention that refuses to dominate the landscape. Instead, this architectural marvel masterfully dissolves the boundaries between inside and outside, creating a seamless flow that connects the owners directly with the breathtaking natural environment of Mawhitipana Bay. Now, let's go together and see how this building, with a minimal footprint, sits on the steep site and is hidden among the branches of the kawa trees. The house structure has two main parts: a long wooden deck, which is the heart of the outdoor living space, and a hovering wooden box that accommodates the private spaces. See? The ground floor is almost completely glass. This floor is enclosed by glass on all four sides. By retracting the doors, the interior space expands seamlessly onto the exterior decks, completely dissolving the boundary between inside and outside. This is the best place to enjoy the view. The kitchen, dining area, and living room are all on this level. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Up here is the rest and sleeping area, which has a completely different feel compared to the glass-enclosed floor downstairs. In contrast to the transparency below, the upper floor is a space for refuge and silence. This box is clad with a cedar rain screen and integrated wooden shutters, providing a sense of enclosure and security when needed. This is the back bedroom, which accommodates multiple beds in the original design. The clever part here is that we can close the wooden panels, but the internal opening remains active. This filters the light and view, and allows us to hear only the sound of the waves and birds. Here is an open-air bathroom. I think it would be incredibly enjoyable to take a shower under the sunlight. I just wonder what they do in winter, or maybe they only visit here during the warmer months of the year. Regardless, I really love this concept. From this master bedroom, we have a view of the ocean. The light intensity is too high right now, so the ocean isn't clearly visible. It's way out there. The restroom is also located on the left side. It truly has a beautiful view. Okay, let's go downstairs together and take a walk around the building. This house sits beautifully on the slope of the land. This is the same back bedroom. absolutely gorgeous. And with that, we conclude our cinematic tour of the stunning Mawhitipana house. I truly hope this journey inspires your own architectural visualization projects in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed the tour, please hit that like button and subscribe to join the Ascent. Speaking of what's next, we're already preparing the breathtaking Saddle Peak House tour for you. And remember, ArchViz Ascent publishes the full 0 to hero tutorials for modeling and rendering these luxury villas right here on the channel. Make sure you check them out.